Hello, in this video we will understand how to check the ports are being used in CSoft license server. This is a server system where I had installed CSoft license server. So if we can go to the server setup, and here you can see that CSoft license server is running on this server right now. So this is the applications on the client system. So now you can go to help and about. So this is the server IP. So basically now if I go to the command prompt, so and now if I type ipconfig /all ipconfig /all, there you go. So now I can see the IP address. So it's 192.168.2.5. so this is the same IP address. So the voice image, the copy of voice image is running using the server, right? So we know this is the server are being used by the client system, right? Now as we know that CSoft license service uses TCP port range from 27,000 up to 27,009, right? So we will dig further to understand the ports are being used in CSoft license service, right? So we will go to the license server manager. So that will be in C drive and CSoft, and then I should go to this license server folder and I should click on the LM2. So now as you can see that CSoft license server is configured. I should go to config services, and now I should click on view log. So once I click on view log, you can examine that from the log. So you should be able to find the port number are being used by the service. So this is the port. So port number 27,000 are being used by CSoft license service, right? So this is occupied, right? Now if we go to command prompt, so I will say cmd, and we will try to find out the ports are already being used in this server. So the port number 27,000 should be listed, right? So the command we will use, it's netstat, obviously. So hit enter now. So it will list out all the ports. So now in the list we should be able to find the port number 27,000, right? So we should be able to find the ports. There you go, you can find the port 27,000. There you go, right? So you can see the port 27,000 are being occupied. So now we know that the application's voice image license server has occupied the port, right? So any port number ranging from 27,000 to 27,009 will be occupied by the CSoft license service, right? So this is a random port, as we had not specified the port number during installations, right? So now we know that voice image license service uses TCP port of 27,000, right, in this server. So this is the way of finding the ports are being used in CSoft license service, right? And you can also find the available ports on your server, and that you can include in the license server setup, right? So this is how you actually can find out the ports are open on your server, and the ports you should use in the license server service, CSoft license server service, using the netstat functions. If you need more information about the netstat functions to understand the TCP port, free ports or block ports, so you can comment on this video. We will try to answer the questions of yours. So thank you very much for your time. Have a great day ahead.